Welcome back. I'm George. I've got an update and from several requests and we're going to do a Distilling Day Part 4. So we're going to give you the final results of what we went through on that triage of videos we did, the 1, 2, and 3, those parts. This is Part 4, and it should be real short. So we'd love to have you. Make sure you comment below if you get an opportunity, and subscribe. Share us with your friends. That's all we ask. All right. Now remember we ran that mead, and I told you I was going to throw some chips in there and start the aging process. And look what I wound up with. Now this is day 9. I didn't really want to go to day 9, but I wound up sidetracked doing some other things. That won't hurt it a bit. It's got a really nice dark hue to it, and I also ran some other stuff, and this is really day 4. So you can see the difference. There's a slight difference in those, but this one's ready for my barrel. Now, this barrel I've used several times, and I've also recharred it once, so I've probably got maybe 2 more runs at it. I've lost count. But what I did was, the last time I emptied it, which was about a month ago or more, I filled it up with hot water. And the reason I did that is to make sure that the barrel never expands or shrinks and starts to form cracks that I'd have to reseal the barrel. So I filled it with hot water, so it's been sitting there nice and sealed, full of water since then. So I guess that really raises the question, will that destroy, will that ruin any of the benefits of having a charred barrel? And so what I did was I pulled off a little bit of the water, and I'll show you that. And you'll see there's almost an imperceptible hue to it. So no, water doesn't degrade your barrels if you're going to store your barrel. And I recommend you store your barrel with water or something in them. Yeah, water. If you're just storing them, if you're not using alcohol. It's the alcohol that will leach out the flavors and take advantage of what the white oak can impart into the spirit. As a matter of fact, this had absolutely no odor to it at all. And you see it had just that very, very slight tinge. So today, here in a few minutes, what I'm going to do is I'll empty this, and then I'll add my funnel with a screen in it, and I'll pour all the contents of this jug into my barrel. That'll leave me some more room so that when this is finished, I'll add it to that. Now, finally, last but not least, unfortunately, we don't have smell-o-vision or taste-o-vision, so you're just going to have to trust me. But I'm just in love with the odor, the aroma that I've got off of this. And I've tasted it. So that brings us to a close on Part 4. So Happy New Year, and of course, as always, happy distilling.